Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2016 JCB 300T skid steer that we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions, show you anything that I see, then we'll start it up, kind of run it through its paces, load her up and down, bucket in and out, kind of try to show that those functions work how they're supposed to. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer, a used piece of construction or farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your subscriptions and likes help other people find our videos who are looking for similar machines, and we truly appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one's a 2016 JCB 300T. Cab heat air, pilot controls, power coupler, 2-speed, 3,000 pound lift capacity. This one has a 11,219 pound operating weight. 3,360 hours. Cranked it up a little bit ago, ran it around a little bit. Hydraulics are strong, engine sounds good. The pins up here are fairly tight. There's a little bit of play in them, but they are far from sloppy. Let's put it that way. They're pretty tight. There's, like I said, just a little bit of play. Undercarriage is really good. As you can see, these tracks are very good. I'm gonna say they're 95% or better. They're almost new. I mean, you can still see the little ridges across the top. Sprockets are in very good shape. Plenty of life left there. As you can see, some of the paint still retained on the side here on the rails of that undercarriage system. Rear idlers look good. Front idlers up there look pretty good. I don't know how well you guys can see in there. As you can see back there on the back side of the frame, in between the tracks there, actually still retains a lot of the paint. A little bit of scratches up here on the top side behind the tracks on the frame. Yellow paint, as you can see, is still fairly bright. Couple little scratches here, there. That back door is pretty straight. There's a little scratch and a little dent up here, right there. That top shield is in good shape. A little bow in that one fin there. Again, around on this side, this rear quarter panel here is pretty nice. Few scratches and scuffs. The loader arms seems to be in really good shape. I don't see any cracks or welds or plating anywhere. A little scratchy there. Same thing, the skid steer plate there looks good. I don't see any cracks or welds. Again, tracks are very good on this side as well. You can see, get up close, you can still see those little tread bars on the top. Sprockets are really good. Undercarriage matches up on both sides. Same thing back there. Looking at the bucket. The bucket seems to be flat, no big bows in the bucket. There's a little bit of maybe a little bit of a bow there. It might be kind of hard to tell, but the front edge is straight. Cutting edge has a little bit of a nick on the side there. Go back in here and take a look in the engine. Try to show what we can see in there. If I can get it with one hand. All right. What you can see here, it's nice and dry on the top here. It's kind of hard to get this camera in here, the way they have everything packed into such a small area. I don't know how well you guys can see in there, but it's fairly dry there. I don't see a bunch of diesel or oil running down the side. A little dusty, a little dry. Dry on this side. Not seeing any oil or diesel running down the side. Everything looks pretty good back here. Back side of the door is in good shape. Go take a look inside the cab. Show off what makes these so popular. Obviously, with only having one loader arm, it makes it so much easier to get in and out of the cabs on these machines, which a lot of guys really like. Door opens up. Floor mat's a little dirty, but there are no cuts or tears or anything like that in it. Pedals in good shape there. The seat seems to be in good shape here. There's no cuts or tears that I'm seeing. Everything looks good there. Both of your control sticks look like they're in good shape. All the glass is in good shape. I don't see any busted out glass, no cracks in any of the glass there. Everything looks pretty good here. All right, like I said, this one's a 2016 JCB 300T 3,360 hours. We'll get right into an operational video.